To find the area or probability of a curve, we have to find the z-score first. And to find the z-score, we use the formula x minus mu over sigma. Once we have our z-scores, then we actually use the TI83 or 84 normal CDF option to do this. Now, to properly plug it in, we have to know what the lower bound or lowest z-value is and the upper bound or the highest z-value. And these examples, the z-values are already given to us, so we don't actually have to use the formula, but you should know this formula if it is not given to you. So let's find the area of the shaded region of each normal curve. So we have this normal curve here, and we want to find the area here on the left. And we know that z equals 0.5. So we're going to do normal CDF. And our lower bound number is the number all the way to the left. Now this does not stop. It keeps on going forever. So what we do is pick a fairly large negative number. And I like to use negative 9999. And then we need to pick our upper number. Our upper number is as high as the shaded area goes, and it goes right here. This area here, or this z-score here, it stops it, is 0.5. So our upper z-value is 0.5. And then you just plug that into normal CDF. Now, where is normal CDF? Well, we're going to bring up our calculator, and I'll show you. So what we do is, once you have everything set up and ready, you're going to go to second here, and then vars, and we're going to go to number 2, normal CDF. Do not use PDF, you want to use CDF. So scroll down, and then hit enter. And for TI83, it's going to just prompt you for the numbers, which is what we have right here. So negative 9999, comma, 0.5. And then we can just close. If you have an 84, something a little bit newer, it's actually going to ask you for lower and upper. Lower in this case is negative 9999, and upper is 0.5. You can leave mu and sigma alone in that case. Once you have it, just going to hit enter. And it gives you the area right here as 0.6914. We'll round it to a 5. So the area here is going to be 0.6915. And that's the area to the left. That's all you do. Now what about if they give you the area to the right? Well, again, we need to know our lower and upper. So again, normal CDF. Our lower is the extreme leftmost value. In this case, negative 1.4. This value right here, that's as far to the left as this shaded area goes. So negative 1.4. And this goes to the right forever. It never stops. So we just pick a large positive number. In this case, I'll say 9999. And that's it. Once the setup is there, just go to second and vars. Normal CDF again, just going to press 2. And our lower bound, negative 1.4, comma, 9999. And then hit enter. And we get 0.9192. That's it. So 0.9192 is the area to the right. Now we've done less to the left and we've done to the right, but what about in the middle? Well, normal CDF can do in the middle as well. Again, we just do, I'm going to try to write that a little bit better. Normal CDF. Our lower bound is negative 1.5 because that's the leftmost value right here. And then our rightmost value of the shaded area is positive 1.5. And now that we have everything set up and ready, just second and vars, normal CDF, negative 1.5, comma, 1.5. For our lower and our upper, hit enter, and we get 0.8664. So area in between is TI8664. So whether you're doing area to the left, to the right, or in the middle, normal CDF can do all of it for you. Just make sure you do the lower bound, then the upper bound, and make sure it is in order, and you'll be fine.